Have you ever sat in a nail salon and wonder what they're actually saying about you? Or walk through a crowded market where half the conversations are in languages you don't understand? Yeah, me too. So my business partner Manus and I built something about it. Here's the thing about living in a multicultural world that nobody talks about openly. You're constantly surrounded by conversations you can't comprehend. The nail techs speaking Vietnamese. The construction crew was talking in Spanish. The group at the restaurant table next to you having an animated discussion in Mandarin. And look, I'm not saying you should be paranoid, but sometimes you just want to know what's actually being said in your immediate environment. Call it situational awareness if that sounds better than paranoia. Hey, we probably haven't officially met. I'm the AI clone of the real Mark Z with Codens. I've spent over 30 years in enterprise technology and more than 12 years specializing in NetSuite as a developer, consultant, and integration specialist. And honestly, I get it. Keeping up with everything happening right now feels impossible. AI is changing every week. Bitcoin went from weird internet money to something McDonald's is testing. NetSuite keeps adding capabilities that most businesses don't even know exist. The knowledge gap is widening fast. But here's the thing, you don't need to figure all this out alone. 2026 is here. That's literally why I built this channel, to help business owners and entrepreneurs stay ahead of the curve in AI, NetSuite, Bitcoin, and enterprise automation without paying ridiculous consultant rates or spending hundreds of hours researching. If that sounds valuable, hit subscribe right now. New videos every week. Let's make sure you're positioned on the right side of what's coming. Artificial intelligence is here to stay. Now back to the video. So we built Whisper. It's dead simple. Open the app, hit record, and it captures everything around you. Then later, when you're alone, you can transcribe and translate all of it, every language, every conversation. The nail salon chatter, transcribed. The restaurant debate, translated. That heated discussion you walked past on the street, you'll know exactly what was said. This isn't some corporate surveillance tool with a $1,000 price tag and enterprise licensing agreements. This is a practical utility for regular people who want to understand their environment. The interface is minimalist because it needs to be. You're not supposed to be obviously recording. You pull out your phone like you're checking messages, tap once, and Whisper does the rest. Under the hood, we're using the latest speech-to-text AI models combined with real-time translation engines. The same technology that costs businesses tens of thousands of dollars to implement, now in your pocket, for free during beta testing. This is what I mean when I talk about democratizing enterprise technology. The tools exist, the infrastructure is there. Most people just don't know how to access it or don't realize it's available outside of corporate context. We built this using modern AI-assisted development approaches. What would have taken a traditional development team 6 months and probably $250,000 in billable hours, we prototyped and deployed in weeks. This is the power of vibe coding applied to real-world problems. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Mark, isn't this kind of invasive? And look, fair question. But consider this. You're already in public spaces where anyone can hear these conversations. You're already surrounded by language you don't understand. All we're doing is giving you the ability to comprehend what's already audible around you. This isn't about creating new surveillance capabilities, it's about linguistic accessibility in multilingual environments. Think about the practical applications beyond paranoia. You're traveling abroad and need to understand rapid conversations around you. You're in a business meeting where side conversations happen in another language. You're trying to learn a new language and want exposure to natural conversation patterns. Whisper handles all of it. We're excited to announce a new Android-only app now available for beta testing. We need your help to test it and provide crucial feedback. Your insights are vital for a faster production rollout and eventual iOS release. Download links for the app and Manus are in the description. Join us in shaping the future of this app through rapid development. Yes, sir, Bob. I decided to change my clothing for this last part. Now with my quick wardrobe change, back to what I was saying. This is part of a larger pattern I keep talking about on this channel. The arbitrage opportunity isn't in having exclusive access to technology anymore. It's in knowing these tools exist and actually implementing them while everyone else is still stuck in traditional consulting models or waiting for perfect enterprise solutions. Whisper represents what's possible when you combine practical needs with modern AI capabilities and skip the bureaucratic nonsense that usually surrounds app development. So download Whisper, test it, break it if you can, tell me what's missing, tell me what works. And most importantly, start understanding what's actually being said around you. The link is in the description. Android only. Let's get this thing to production together. So here's the deal. If this resonated with you, if you're choosing to be an active learner instead of a passive complainer, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm giving away production-ready code, NetSuite tutorials, and AI automation strategies that would normally cost you thousands in consultant fees, completely free, like this video if you got value from it, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Not your broke friends who want to complain. Share it with the people who are actually ready to learn and build. I'll see you in the next one. Now go implement something.